Does it bother you when people talk loudly? Or play videos for everyone to hear? Loud sounds can trigger people with autism or sound sensitivity. Go to safesoundcheck.com. Allow microphone access. Measure the sound. The safe level is 65 to 75 decibels. If the noise is too loud, press the button to remind everyone gently.
Hi, the noise level here may trigger someone with autism and may bother other people. Kindly minimize your sound. Thank you.
Let's all sound responsibly. A message from Project Inclusion Network.